Say hello to HealthIvy. HealthIvy is an app that's designed to empower you, the ordinary user, with your health data. Designed for simplicity, HealthIvy runs on Android and iPhone devices and consists of 6 core sections, namely Timeline, Medication, My Doctor, My Data, Profile, and Health Alerts. The Timeline section is the backbone feature of this app. It lets you, the user, input data on how you feel or whether you face any discomfort on a daily basis. Think of it as a journal that's also smart enough to adapt to how you answer. The data is then stored with your health records and can be retrieved by your physician should you provide them with access to it. It's a great way for you to keep track of your overall health and general medication intake. To view a past entry, simply scroll through until you find the day you would like to look at, and then tap on it. You can then go back and edit. To add an entry, simply select the Add Entry button. Then, answer the short series of questions. If you wish, you can skip a particular question by selecting the Skip Question button. In order to navigate within the app, simply select the HealthIvy logo on the top left corner. This will display a side menu that will let you switch to another section. When connected with your health record platform, such as Blue Button, Microsoft Health Vault, or Dossier, the application imports a list of your prescriptions and organizes it for you. The app uses WebMD to analyze the medication names and inform you as to why you need to take it. For example, Crestor is taken to control heart disease. Colored labels appear next to each prescription, indicating the frequency of usage. While filling out the timeline entry for each day, you will be prompted to check the medication you took that day. To view more details about a prescription, simply tap or pull down on a prescription. You will also see an option to refill. This will list out all the pharmacies nearest to you. Let's take a look at the My Doctor section. Here, you will see all the doctors that are currently treating you or have prescribed a medication for you. You can call the doctor's office or email them via the 2 buttons provided. Simply slide across the doctor's contact details to remove the doctor from your list. In order to add a new doctor to your list, simply select the Add Doctor button. The application will then search for the doctors closest to you and within your network. The app currently supports several major insurance providers. The list will also show you the rankings for each doctor based on the Yelp feedback received. The Health Alert section is powered by the CDC's emergency text message program. Anytime there's an emergency or health alert, you will receive a notification via this app. Lastly, but most importantly, we have the My Data section. This section lets you see information about yourself and how you're currently doing over the last few days. Your score is based on your timeline input as well as the data from your health records. Whenever possible, your data is compared against national or regional data to give you a clear picture of where you stand. This data is obtained from the Health Indicators warehouse. The My Data section lets you import and export your data to or from this app. A new feature that's still currently experimental is the Clinical Trials feature. If authorized by you, this feature lets you see if you qualify for any clinical trials based on your data. We hope that this tutorial has been informative and will prompt you to download HealthIvy and give it a try.